Hazrat Zaid bin Aslam has reported from his father, Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu, appointing his freed slave, Hunaya, a supervisor of a pasture, said, O Hunaya, treat the Muslims with consideration. Avoid the malediction of the oppressed, as the malediction of the oppressed is readily approved. And let the honor of a few camels and a few goats enter it, but do not let the cattle of Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf and Hazrat Usman bin Affan enter it. For suppose if the cattle of both these persons expire, they can live on their gardens and farms. But if the cattle of the owner of a few camels and a few sheep perish, they will bring their household to me and shout, O chief of the believers, my cattle have expired. Shall I abandon them then? So it is easy for me to give them water and grass than to give them gold and silver. And by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if they are prevented, they will get this impression that they are wronged because this is their country. They fought for it in the period of ignorance and have embraced Islam in it during the period of Islam. By him in whose possession my soul is, if I had not had such animals as I have provided to those to ride who fight in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I would not have turned even a span of land into a pasture. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3059.